Hi, I'm Matthew Borie with Osprey Flight Solutions, bringing you our weekly update. We continue to track the COVID-19 pandemic globally as well as its impact on aviation. A number of countries have resumed domestic flight operations to include the Philippines, Turkey, and at specific airports in South Africa. In India, they're in their second week of resuming flight operations domestically, and we expect in the weeks ahead the number of flights being conducted to increase steadily. In neighboring Pakistan, on a more positive note, we've seen the resumption of outbound international flights, which reflects an interesting trend which we could see follow to other countries in the region, and a positive step forward in the resumption of air travel. From a conflict zone overflight perspective, we've seen a resumption of drone attacks launched from Yemen by the Houthi rebel forces into southwest Saudi Arabia. The Saudi-led coalition downed 2 drones per day on 27 May over Najran province, as well as 1 and 2 June, 4 total drones were shot down over Asir province. We're seeing this spike occur after a nearly 2-month lull in attacks, as the most recent previous attack occurred in late March when ballistic missiles were launched at the capital Riyadh in Saudi Arabia and were downed by air defense forces of the Saudi-led coalition. After this 2-month gap, though, and the resumption most recently, we'll continue to monitor the situation closely and keep everyone updated via our alerts. As we continue to monitor knock-on effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, narcotics trafficking activity within Europe has specifically been highlighted. Both the UK and the Netherlands issued crime bulletins which specifically discuss the potential for air travel and air cargo transport to be used as a means to increase the supply of narcotics into Europe by trafficking groups. In addition, in London, at Heathrow Airport, security personnel uncovered a very large narcotics trafficking attempt which included millions of dollars worth of heroin. This was the largest seizure during 2020 and highlights that despite the COVID-19 pandemic, large shipments of narcotics are attempted to be trafficked by these groups, and operators need to be aware of the potential for such activity to continue in the months ahead. Please sign up to the Osprey Flight Solutions LinkedIn page for updates and tune in next week as our team will provide the most up-to-date information about the last 7 days. As always, stay safe.